Hey guys, got a bunch of snow to move, so I'm gonna hook up the plow mount underneath the Alterra here, get the plow on. I've got like a 6-foot synthetic line that'll help not wear out my winch when I'm using the plow over the winter. I'll put that on and we'll go move some snow. Let's go. Got quite a bit of snow out here. $16 degrees outside. Some places got a little deeper. There's a drift about 2 feet high. This is my winch mount made out of 3/8 steel. Put some angle iron in here for the plow to slide into. Got some grade 8 bolts. And then I got this metal plate here, kind of for a washer plate to kind of clamp it to the ATV frame. I've also got this 6-foot synthetic line, so this is going to protect the winch line from running it in and out all the time. We'll just slip the loop onto the end of the synthetic line, wind that up into the winch, then hook this up to the plow with a shackle. I put a cotter pin in one of these and it made it a whole lot easier. Alright guys, we're hooked up. Just gotta find out where the plow is. Got my pins up here, still here. Just gotta get it out of here. Normally I'd have it hooked up before we get too much snow, but this is just enough for us to get out and mess around in. I need to clean this thing off. To do this with gloves. That's why I normally get it done beforehand. Just got the shackle that will hook through here. All right. Let's go have some fun. Oh, this snow is nice. It's not slushy. This is perfect. Alright, that's done. Go ahead and pull this plow off and go rip around. I'll just put this up. It'll stay on there, but I don't want to knock it around on the plastic or the metal. Pop these pins out. I really need to get these pins to quick attach, so I don't have to mess with that. See if we can make it up through here. Oh yeah. Piece of cake. And I'm only at 4 high. This is fun. Alright guys, super fun to get out on the ATV and ride around, get some snow done. I love plowing snow, I love winter time, and unfortunately I don't get everything filmed that I want to film because I'm having too much fun in the snow, but I'm going to try to film more. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.